Are you using an old school video or audio hosting for your content, or hosting your videos or audio content on third-party sites like YouTube or Vimeo or Spreaker or Buzzsprout? If so, you are missing out. Technology has advanced, and there's a better way to host your video and your audio content that helps you save time, boost engagement, and ultimately increase your profits. We have created a cutting-edge video marketing solution that leverages advances in AI and makes it easy as clicking your mouse to get more views, longer watch times, better engagement, and ultimately more sales for you and your clients. It is called VidTags, and you have never seen anything like this before. You see, VidTags is an AI-powered interactive video and audio hosting platform. It makes navigating, deep tagging, searching, transcribing, and translating your marketing, video, and audio content super easy. In 2021, nobody wants to sit and watch 20 or 60-minute long videos just to find out one or two things that they might be interested in. This is why VidTags was created. To use, just copy and paste the URL of any online video or audio, or import videos from YouTube, your Zoom sections, videos from Facebook, Vimeo, Dropbox, or just upload from your computer. VidTags will automatically generate transcripts, then create an interactive, actionable table of contents by understanding the context of the conversations right inside the video, while adding deep tags to each segment in the interactive, actionable table of contents. That is amazing. Now, with this new content, you can translate and render it into 35 different languages. Plus, it gets hosted for you to prevent all the distractions and commercialization that you get from other video hosting services, like YouTube, Vimeo, etc. Now, audience retention is an important aspect of a video, to say the least. If you can't capture your viewers' attention within 5 or 10 seconds, the likelihood of them taking action is pretty low. Your customers and viewers are busy, fickle, and will bail on you if it feels slow, uninteresting, or passive. The future is interactive videos. They guarantee more sales, engagement, and retention. You know, traditional video as we know it now is in a steep decline, possibly dying. And the new king of video is interactive video and audio content, period. The attention span of viewers is becoming shorter, while remaining hungry for new ways to absorb the information in a better way. There is a growing need for interactive and engaging videos. If you still want to be ahead of your competitors this 2021 and beyond, then you have to make the switch today. Using interactive video in your business puts you in the middle of the action and enables you to drive the experience. VidTags features an intuitive, easy-to-use dashboard. You could charge top dollar by starting your very own AI-powered interactive video and audio hosting platform. With VidTags, there's no coding or technical skills needed. Make all of your content easy to digest and organized by creating a searchable table of contents and making everything inside your content files searchable. This feature alone will save your viewers a lot of time and frustration, because they could quickly get the content that they want without having to watch or listen to the entire thing. Using VidTags will increase video views, boost video watch time and retention, and improve engagement for better overall results from all of your content. That's because you'll be able to search, watch, and share your online videos with VidTags faster and easier than ever before. And it just keeps getting better. With a few clicks, VidTags will automatically translate your video or audio into 35 languages, expanding your content's reach exponentially. Plus, all your video content is automatically indexed and searchable across the web for free traffic without lifting a finger. We offer lightning-fast video and audio hosting at no additional cost. You'll immediately notice your video quality is stunning and that there are no delays or buffering, so the end-user experience is excellent. You'll also get real-time analytics about who is watching or listening to your content, where they're from, and how long they access the content, so you always know where you stand and how to improve things. And that's not all. We have a built-in AI-powered speech-to-text and text-to-speech generator that you can also make searchable and then translate it into multiple languages. This will save you a ton of time and money when compared with hiring a transcriptionist. You could take any blog post, and VidTags will automatically convert that to audio. Pretty slick feature with multiple angles for making you money, huh? Because helping you get more eyeballs on your content is our #1 goal. We've also added a simple one-click social sharing feature. With just a click, you can share any video or audio via direct link, Facebook, Twitter, email, Reddit, and other shareable means. You can also embed your VidTags content to any website without coding. Download your videos, audios, and transcripts with a single click. Quickly create collections of video and podcast pages. And unlike third-party video hosting platforms like YouTube, where negative comments can impact your results, with VidTags, you control how viewers interact with your content. As you can see, we've pretty much thought of everything. VidTags is leaps and bounds more powerful than any other marketing video or audio host that you've used before. And when you get VidTags today, we've arranged a very special discount because this plugin is so simple yet powerful. We originally planned to charge $197 monthly for access. Now, although it's certainly worth $200 per month when you consider the time that you'll save and the money you'll make, you're not going to pay anywhere near that. Not at all today. We're waiving the monthly fee and giving you access to VidTags for a low one-time payment when you click the button below right now. We're also giving you access to some very powerful bonuses when you jump on this now, and we're including some powerful training too that will show you how to get the best results from VidTags right away. If you're looking to get the most out of your marketing video or audio content, then you owe it to yourself to get VidTags today. Click the button below right now to lock in your discount and claim your bonuses.